Hello, everybody. So it is Monday, 10:40. I'm eating dinner. I broke my fast earlier. What I have here, I made some burgers with my ground bison. Earlier, I was supposed to have for dinner. I know it's not plated the best, but it's 10:40. All right, but I was supposed to have some lamb chops for dinner, but I just got lazy because I cooked dinner for my son earlier, and I didn't feel like sitting there waiting for them lamb chops to be done and all of that stuff. So I have four burgers that I made with Mexican cheese inside of it, and this my seasonings, and I just cooked them on top of the stove. So I had four of them. So I ate two to break my fast, and I'm eating the last two now. So I already cut one up. These are 6 ounces cooked. I was shocked it was only 6 ounces, but I weighed them. They were only 6 ounces cooked. I'm thinking the other two was probably less because they were smaller. But right here, because I made my son some shrimp and crab pasta with Parmesan cream sauce, and so y'all know I'm low carb, so I don't eat regular pasta. But I have been buying these shirataki pastas. So I found this one at, I believe it was Sprouts. It's organic. It was a little bit more money for this particular brand. As you can see, it's non-GMO, it's gluten-free, vegan, 15 calories per serving. What I like about this one, I haven't tasted it yet, but it comes in 2 packages like this, already sealed up. You don't have to refrigerate these right here. Um, as you can see, the nutrition facts. So each packet is 2 servings. So I just put both servings in because it's not a lot, to be quite honest with you. Um, for 2 servings is 8 grams of carbs, 6 fiber. So that would make it 2 net carbs. And it's no protein, it's no sugars, it's 15 calories per serving. So it's basically 30 calories, there's no fat or anything, and 2 net carbs, 8 total carbs if you're counting carbs, is low on sodium. Really nothing much to it. And the ingredients are pretty straightforward: water, organic konjac flour, oat fiber, and citric acid. Probably for the citric acid is for the preservative. And I just rinsed them off really good, and I just put them in the pan like I do all of my other miracle rice and pasta. I just put it in a pan with no oil and just let it dry out, and then I go in with my seasonings, vegetables, whatever I'm gonna mix with it, basically. And so basically what I made was because I kind of, let me see how this tastes. Okay, they're pretty good. Got a little bit of a different texture to it, but it's pretty good. Um, and it says it's keto certified. So, I didn't make my lemon cream sauce how I normally would make it. I went to the store. I was in the cheese section, looking around for the block of, see if I could find a block of Parmesan cheese to shred myself. And I came across at Sprouts. It was English double cream. I looked it up to see what it was, and it's basically a thicker version of heavy cream. Heavy cream, as we know, is more liquid. This one has double the fat content than heavy cream, so it's really a cream in a jar. It's not liquidable at all, but it melts down when you put it to heat. And so because it was my first time using a double cream, I didn't know that. I thought you had to mix it in with a liquid, because normally when I do my cream sauce, I use the heavy cream, butter first, then the heavy cream, and then I go in with my other stuff. But because there was no liquid. I thought I had to add liquid into it. So what I did was I added some chicken stocks, 2 cups, and I should not have done that. Um, but it came out good on the pasta. My son and my daughter liked it, said it was pretty good. And it did, because they use regular pasta, the pasta did soak up the liquid because it wasn't thick like my regular cream sauce is. Um, so with mine, I said, you know what, I'm gonna just use a little bit of the cream sauce that I made, just a little bit to give it a little liquid. But I'm gonna put the double cream in to see if it melts well, and it did. And so all I needed was a little bit, maybe like, I don't know, a fourth of a cup of the liquid, if that. I did put some cream cheese in it, some grated Parmesan cheese, and I probably put about 2 tablespoons of the double cream in, and I just mixed it up and let it cook down. I seasoned it, and then I shredded up some spinach, and put in there also. I cooked the shallots with a tablespoon of butter in the pasta as well. And so I just mixed everything up. So basically, put the pasta in the pan to dry. After it did that, I put the butter in, let that melt, and then I put my shallots in. I cooked that down till it was soft. Then I added in the double cream, um, the cream cheese. You can do about a tablespoon. Just all depends on how much you're cooking for. The English double cream, the jar is probably about 4 ounces, maybe 6 ounces. I really didn't look at the ounce, but it's not a big jar. Um, so I put the double cream, cream cheese, and the Parmesan cheese in, let it cook down, mix it up, and then I put in the spinach last and let that cook down, and it's done. So this is what you have right there. And so that's basically my dinner. Um, I did really good today. Last week was an epic fail. I worked out that one day. Today it was raining, it was cold, and it was just one of them days I did not feel like being bothered with working out. But I said, this is going to start a new week. I got to start somewhere. It's just been a really bad struggle with me with the candy and the sugar cravings and the soda and stuff like that. But I really need to get it together. So I've been doing really good today. I broke my fast with, I didn't break my fast. I drunk green tea, my green tea with dandelion by Traditional Medicinals. I went to the grocery store. I did my little Bible study, messed around on YouTube, social media, and then I got up and I said, let me go to the grocery store to pick up the stuff I need, for my son's dinner and our dinner. So I went to Sprouts, got all my stuff, came back, and then I drunk some mint tea, no sweetener in neither one, not even stevia. And then about six, a quarter to seven, I went downstairs to start cooking for my son, and to make my hamburgers. And so by the time I came back and I broke my fast, it was about 8 o'clock. And so after I eat this, if I'm still up late, I will go and make my coffee because I did not have that and I didn't have my collagen. But I do have me one of these apples. I can't remember the name, and I took the peel off of the apple, and then I have some almond butter, organic almond butter from Trader Joe's. Is this almonds and sea salt? That's it. It's really creamy and loose, and this is probably about, I don't know, maybe a tablespoon and a half or so. So I'm gonna eat that after my dinner, and we'll go from there. If I have my coffee, it is decaf, so it won't keep me up. But yeah, that's all I got for you for right now. So if I don't be back later, I'll be back tomorrow. Peace. Y'all be safe. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not. Click that notification bell and leave a comment. Bye.